It's 4:32 in the morning. Let's go to Disneyland.
Cover your eyes, promise not to look, 'cause I got some good news for you. Unexpected surprise, now you're on the hook. Guess what, I booked a ticket for two. I feel stressed and depressed, I feel stuck in a route. It's time we get a brand new start. So get dressed, pack your bags, feel the holiday mood. You won't believe what we're about to do, 'cause we're off, California. I long to wrap my arms around you. Wanna love and renew you. Do all the things we used to do. Feel my touch.
We're here, I'm in California, and I could not be more excited. Literally, the moment I stepped off that plane, I just felt like I was home. Like at this point, California, Anaheim kind of feels like home. I can kind of like recognize like the Uber route from the airport to here, but it's just so amazing to be back here in California. It was a little bit rainy when I stepped off the plane, but now I think the weather's good. I just checked into my hotel. I'm staying at Element by Westin Anaheim. They were so kind to host me, so thank you so much to them. And they hooked me up with the nicest room. I'm gonna have to give you guys a little room tour, but first I want to show you my view because it's just so magical and it's getting me so excited to go into the parks. So this is my view. Thankfully, it's turning out to be such a gorgeous and sunny day, but as you can see, there's California Adventure with Guardians of the Galaxy, Pixar Pier with Incredicoaster. I can see Disneyland Hotel, I can see Space Mountain and Matterhorn over there. It's pretty much the same view as last time, and it's still just as gorgeous. I absolutely love this hotel. It is just so nice. So let me give you guys a little room tour. So this is my room. We actually have like a living room area and then the actual bedroom, which this is amazing. This is a lot bigger than my room last time, so I'm so excited about this. And there's 2 TVs, which is nice. And they set up this sweet little welcome basket. Thank you guys so much. It comes with a full kitchen. Like I could cook, there's a microwave, there's a fridge. Amazing. So amazing. And let me show you guys the living room. Like this is a full apartment. This is like the same size as my apartment. Then you have the little view. Then going into the bedroom, don't mind all the luggage over there. There are 2 beds, another TV. And what I love about these TVs is they do have Netflix and streaming, so I can watch anything. And then here's another view. So here's the agenda for today. We're not gonna go into the parks because I just thought that would be a lot. Like traveling, I also did pull an all-nighter, so I'm running on, I think I got 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours of sleep on the plane. So I just feel like going to the parks today would be a little bit too much, but we're still gonna go to Disneyland. So I think here in a little bit, we're gonna walk on over to downtown Disney. The walk is 10 minutes and it's a beautiful, easy little walk. The weather I think is nice. It is a little chilly, which I was kind of prepared for, but I was also hoping it wouldn't be that cold. But stepping off the plane, it was a little chilly. So I think I'm just gonna stay in this. I do have another outfit because I'm hoping to go to the hotels. I'm here with my friend Emily, and this is her very first time seeing everything. So I feel like we need to go to all of the Disneyland hotels. So there's the Grand Californian, the Disneyland Hotel, and the brand new Pixar Place Hotel. So I think the first thing we need to do is walk on over to downtown Disney and get some lunch. Guys, I literally was hit with this horrible just like wave of allergies, and it started raining too, so we were just chilling in the hotel room for a second waiting for the rain to go away. I was waiting for my allergies to go away, so now I'm a little bit stopped up. I think it's just like the change in weather going from humid to dry, and then also spring and pollen and all this stuff. So I'm a little bit on the struggle bus today, but we're making it through. And then I'm here with my friend Emily. Hi. This is her very first time here in California, first time seeing Disneyland and everything. I know we haven't really done much, but like, how are you feeling so far?
I think I'm like kind of starstruck with the whole just experience. So I'm just excited for the very next stop. I'm just taking it one step at a time, not trying to overwhelm myself.
Yeah, our first stop is gonna be lunch. We kind of haven't really eaten all day, and so I think we're gonna go to Earl of Sandwich because that just sounds amazing. I know we have one over in Orlando, but like, I'm telling y'all, it hits different here. I don't know, there's something about it. So I am honestly just so excited to get some lunch. past security, and the music is so beautiful. They're playing just like every Disney song ever. I'm obsessed. It is so magical. I am so happy to be here. That was going so fast. Y'all, I'm so excited for this. And look at the views. Time to grub. We are so excited. What did you get?
I got a sandwich.
Bruh. No, like you got the mango the something.
The full Montago.
Oh, I was close. I was close. And then I got the ham and Swiss, my go-to. Alright, let's eat. It's that time of day where all the crows come for sunset. Everybody wants to watch a little Disneyland sunset. Let's see. What have we been up to? We've just been getting some photos and just honestly enjoying the weather. Like, it is so fun just being here. Oh my gosh, the crow, bruh. Yeah, we're just chilling, honestly. I think we're gonna go pop into World of Disney. I'm really excited. Just explore more of like downtown Disney. But yeah. Let's check out their Marvel merch because I've never seen this at Disney World and it looks so cute. Like this bucket hat. I'm obsessed, and it's reversible, but I don't know if that's for kids actually. Oh wow, they have Spider-Man goggles. Those are kind of fun. I've loved this t-shirt and I think this would be really cool to get with it saying Disneyland. So we've just been wandering around World of Disney, downtown Disney, but now it's the time that I've been waiting for and I'm so excited. I'm about to go into Pixar Place Hotel. They have these little Pixar ball lamps. I am so excited. This music is so jazzy. I love it. Even the parking garage, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, here we go, guys. Wow. This is so calming. I was not expecting it to be so just like chill. Wow. Wow, like, oh look, it's a little character. It's like so calming in here. Oh my gosh, I see where Joe plays his music. I hope we get to catch him one of these days. That is just so amazing. Oh my gosh, okay. This is amazing. Wow. Oh my gosh. I have no words, honestly. There's Sully, Bo Peep, and Buzz and Woody. This is amazing. This is the Sketchpad Cafe that I really want to try. It closes at 11 a.m. but they have a build your own coffee where you can even add edible glitter. So I hope to get to do that one day. Wow, look at this wall of art. Let's go check out Store E. Oh my gosh. They have a little Pixar Place Hotel t-shirt. Wow. Oh, and a little pen. And a cup, of course. I'm so tempted to get the shirt, but I feel like I should save it when we actually stay here. Wow. They have this brand new Pixar collection I've noticed. It's just very artistic. What's this? Little magnets maybe? Yeah. Oh, look at these ears. Wow. They have a TV in the cafe that just plays little Pixar shorts.
the big things, like getting a gig. Or other times, it's the small things, like lollipops. Lollipops and roses.
I genuinely just have no words. I feel like I'm not really speaking because I have no words. This hotel is, it's amazing.
Life is full of possibilities. You just have to know where to look. And hang on to your sparks, everybody. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
It's giving Edna mode.
Get into character.
Get into character. Oh no. Oh my.
My outfit is accidentally giving Edna Disney balance.
Strike a post, darling.
Once a several stories heard.